Hello, my name is Alexander Contreras, and I will present some of the ways contribute to the Envirvonmoment. My mom is not using plastic bags anymore. I trying to use the bicycle instead of the car. In my family, we're trying to separate the garbage. I'm trying to be more conscious with the use of the light, turning them off when I am not using them. We are trying to the responsible product. For instance, use clock nippings instead of the paper ones. I am trying to use natural light as much as possible. We are trying to reduce water consumption. We are trying to promote the cultivation of trees and plants. We are using energy-saving light bulbs. We are trying not to eat a lot of meat. Thank you for your attention.